Hi everyone. Hi, I'm Naila here, and today we would be talking about milling of wheat. So, I'm really sorry this took a lot of time. There were some issues with the YouTube channel, so I got everything corrected. And before I start off, I would like you to subscribe and like for the videos as well. So, going forward with chapter number 2 of cereals and cereal products, this is a very important part of milling of wheat, which is on the page 32 of Food Science Sri Lakshmi. Okay. So why milling? Why milling is important firstly. So wheat is actually consumed mostly in the form of flour obtained by milling the grains, while a small quantity is converted into breakfast food such as wheat flakes, puffed wheat, etc. Wheat is generally obtained, wheat flour is obtained after milling. So it's very important that हम milling करेंगे उसका. Also, another thing which is important is that wheat is not just consumed in the form of flour. There are other ways also to consume wheat, that is rava, that is nothing but salmonella, dalia, that is broken wheat, wheat bran or wheat flour, white flour also, that is maida, noodles, pastas, and other wheat products which is produced after doing milling. It helps to increase the forms of products and also increase the consumption value of it. Okay. Process of milling. So as we go ahead, I am writing in reference to the diagram which is present on page number 33. Okay, this is a simpler diagram which was available on the internet, so I've used it. Okay, so process of milling. First, the product control. So cleaning and removing other types of impurities and damaged kernels. So आप ये ध्यान में रखो कि whenever your mother is making चावल धो रहे तो फर्स्ट चीज क्या करते हैं, चावल हम धोते हैं या कोई भी ग्रेन को हम धोते हैं. Okay, so this is very important. So first is always cleaning. So product control में cleaning which will remove the impurities. Second, separator. This removes the straw and other coarse material like कंकर हो गया, and also कुछ seed वगैरह या कोई भी गंध है तो वो निकल जाएगा. Third is the aspirator. It lifts off lighter impurities in wheat and air sucks off the dust and lighter particles. So if you've seen in गाँव एक soup होता है generally जिससे your grandmother or anyone elderly used to actually lift the grain ताकि उसके छिलके हम हटा सके, because it's in the air and then you can do it easily. So just imagine that. So first is product control, second separator, third aspirator. तो aspirator से lighter impurities निकल जाएगी. Then fourth is disc separator. It revolves in horizontal axis. This is the disc separator. Okay, the surface of the disc catches one size grains and rejects the larger and the smaller size. So in order to have uniformity, this disc separator will actually focus on similar sized grains, one size grain, so that there is uniformity in the product achieved in the end. The fifth thing is the scorer. Okay, so scorer, this is the scorer. Okay, it is a beaters are attached to the center and it throws the wheat violently in the drum and helps to remove the kernel. तो हम लोग इसको अगर एक वॉशिंग मशीन जैसा समझे तो हम बीच में वीट को डालेंगे एंड विथ द सेंट्रीफ्यूगल फोर्स बेसिकली आपका ग्रेन विल बी forcibly thrown on the walls of the machine so that उसका kernel break हो. Okay, this will help to remove the hair as well. फिर उसके बाद में magnetic separator हो जाएगा which will remove impurities like iron, steel particles are separated here. Washer stone. So high speed rotators spin wheat in water and stone, lighter wheat is washed off. ओके, सो यहाँ पे हम वॉशर स्टोन. सो टिल नाउ हम लोग ने सिर्फ दो ही काम किया है देखा गया तो वी आर जस्ट क्लीनिंग, रिमूविंग इम्प्योरिटीज एंड ब्रेकिंग द कर्नल, again removing impurities and washing. So this is a very integrate and extensive thing to do. Then हो जाता है tempering. So moisture is added in this process before grinding, which helps to have a uniform and a controlled amount of moisture and temperature. अगर थोड़े grains में moisture intake कम है, so it can get too dry or it can get too moist. So in order to have uniformity, यहाँ पे moisture add किया जाएगा. Okay, so we can say tempering में आ गया. उसके बाद में we have introlter. Okay, तो blending भी हो गया moisturizing में. फिर introlter. What is an introlter? This is a high speed aspirator push the wheat against finger-like pins, which impacts and breaks unsound wheat and rejects it. Okay, so this is a very important part, especially because that over here we are still focusing on finding the damaged kernels and removing it. Okay, so pin-like projection mein it is thrown on it and unsound kernels are rejected from it. Then हो जाता है हमारा grinding bin. The first break of rolls of mills is done here basically. तो grinding pin में as the name suggests it is grinding your mill. Okay, so यहाँ पे grinding होगा, the first break होगा. Okay. Now going forward, process of milling. So now depending upon the product, the further process follows. तो हम क्या बना रहे हैं उसके ऊपर डिपेंड होता है बेसिकली. तो sifter, it is a box with series of cloth where the broken particles go in. So it helps to separate the smaller and larger particles. Larger particles rest on the top and the finer flour at the bottom. Okay, so आप इमेजिन कर सकते हो एक बॉक्स, उसमें काफ़ी सीरीज ऑफ क्लॉथ है एंड द फाइनेस्ट फ्लावर इज resting in the bottom where the biggest grains is on the top layer. Purifier. The larger particles from the top of the above mentioned sifter goes through this series of airflow lifts and lighter particles to discard similar aspirator. So अभी जो topmost bigger particles है, they use it for making another thing. Like for example, they can use it to make rubber. Okay, so उनका procedure अलग हो जाता है. The down purifier, the above procedure happens 3 to 4 times as per the product needed. तो आप समझ सकते हो कि एक बार break होने के बाद they divide itself on what they want to achieve. Okay, so ये है basically the process of wheat milling. So उसमें काफ़ी सारा साफ करना है and काफ़ी सारा separation and breaking of kernels. So if you have a mnemonic, जैसा आप you can just remember it, go through it a couple of times, it's very easy. So you need to just understand the basic concept and the basic start till the first break. एक बार आपको वो समझ में आ गया, you will be able to write this. Usually this question is asked for 10 marks, so you can definitely write about it in detail. So प्रोडक्ट्स ऑफ व्हीट, सो ये सारी चीज़ें करने की वजह से आपको क्या क्या अवेलेबल होता है. सो होल व्हीट फ्लावर कंटेन्स फाइनली ग्राउंड ब्रैन, जर्म एंड एंडोस्पर्म ऑफ द होल कर्नल, दैट इज द होल व्हीट फ्लावर. मैदा, जब सेपरेशन हो जाता है ब्रैन और जर्म का, यू गेट मैदा और द वाइट फ्लावर. ओके, सेमोलिना, दैट इज द कोर्स ग्राउंड एंडोस्पर्म. सो जो बेसिकली सिफ्टर में ऊपर जो बच जाता है या बीच में, डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द साइज, यू कैन यूज इट एज द रवा. मैकरोनी प्रोडक्ट्स, मॉल्टेड व्हीट एंड बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं. अभी तो प्रोडक्ट डेवलपमेंट के वजह से देयर आर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स विच इज बीन डेवलप्ड इन व्हीट and wheat products. So all of this can be achieved only by milling of wheat. So make sure that you go through it, and if you have any questions, any doubts, please post it in the comment section. And also thank you so much for sending me so many DMs about my further videos. I'll be putting in regular videos now so that you study well, get good grades, and please subscribe my channel. And thank you so much. Bye bye.